Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show an advanced lookup to return all duplicate matches in one cell based on one lookup value. In this table, I have duplicate matches that also contains duplicate base values. This table contains unique base values for bringing duplicate matches. Now let's do the advanced lookup starting with filter function equal to filter. First select the result range, comma, then set the lookup range is equal to this cell. Close the function, press enter. We got the results. Filter function returns results vertically. Add transpose to change it horizontally. Use TEXTJOIN to combine all the results in one cell like this. TEXTJOIN. In delimiter, use this code to have line breaks after each result. Here, give true to ignore empty cells while joining the results. Now close TEXTJOIN, press enter. Drag the formula. Now everything is done. Just turn on wrap text. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.